Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is April 29, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis against the USD for Bitcoin, and then we're going to do Ethereum against the USD as well. But before I do that, I want to show you all some more benefits that you all are missing out on in this Patreon group that we have on Facebook. You can see on the right side of the screen, this is just a snippet that I took from our group to where we stated that we are forecasting TRON will make all-time highs on Bitfinex and come around 10 cents on Binance. TRON is now a buy. Okay, and on this particular screenshot you can see where we saw that precursor to strength coming into the market, and that occurred on the 26th of April. Right here on this left side you guys can see where the market came in. This is the third day and the market came almost all the way up to 9 cents today, and the last time when TRON was listed on Bitfinex, it came all the way up to 8.5 cents. So definitely today is the day that TRON has made all-time highs, and we forecasted that 3 days in advance, letting you all know that we were still seeing some strength in this space. And this is just some of the things that you're missing while you're scouring YouTube to find out which chart is giving you the best reliable information. And what we're doing is simply giving you price predictions, price forecasts. We're for price thinkers into anticipating where prices are likely to go, and we're not doing it with no indicators. You can see we are eliminating the confusion that so many other people place on their charts, because price bars and volume is the language of the markets, and once you understand that, you become more powerful and more profitable. So if you're interested in learning more about what we do, then you have to sign up and become a member on our Patreon page, and from there you'll have access to all of this content. I mean, we do this on a regular basis to where a lot of our members are getting advance notice of what we expect to occur in the market. And if you're not getting that, then you're missing out, and you need to come and join us on our Patreon page. We look forward to seeing you all there if you're interested. Nevertheless, let's get started in our analysis for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So looking at Bitcoin, you can see that they're up 0.06%. Last trade was $9,328. Daily price chart, you can see that we're coming right back towards the open of today's trading. Some weakness is coming into the space, but as long as we hold that $9,200 area for Bitcoin, then we're still looking for that consolidation and movement to the upside. The moment that we break that $9,200, then that's the moment that we're going to continue to move lower. You all can see that 93.50 is resistance, so we're going to try that again. If we get more volume and precursors and weakness bars around $93.50 to $9,400, then Bitcoin definitely will continue to move to the downside. Okay, and I'm still expecting we might move higher in the short term, but long term I'm seeing some weakness on the horizon. Again, 1 hour chart for Bitcoin, you can see that 93.60, 93.50 is resistance, and we're going to try that again, but definitely I'm not seeing a lot of interest in high prices on the 1 hour chart as well. So at best, I'm looking for consolidation, maybe a little bit movement to the upside in the short term, but then long term, I'm looking for the market to run across some stockpile and then move back to the downside. Okay, so short term could be like in the next couple of hours, 3, 6 to 9 hours possibly, but then after that, I'm looking for the market for Bitcoin to move lower, especially if we can break $93.60 or even $9,400. Last one for today is going to be Ethereum. So Ethereum is breaking even today. They're down 1 penny. Last trade was $679.92. A quick look at the daily price chart for Ethereum. Just like with Bitcoin, market is giving us some slight weakness in this space today. Market was able to go higher and lower today in this space. Quick look at the 3 hour bars for Ethereum. Ethereum has a higher probability of moving higher than I do think with Bitcoin, but definitely $690 is where the resistance is. I can see the market is being inundated with some stockpile, but the buyers are still here in this space, and that's one of the most positive things that I can have for Ethereum at the moment. Okay, looking at the 1 hour bars, you can see that we got strength in the space for Ethereum. Still looking for Ethereum to consolidate and move higher. That's our analysis. 676 needs to hold that support. Market needs to break 684 in order for us to continue to move higher. Okay, this is a probable precursor to strength on the 1 hour chart. If this next bar closes above, then Ethereum is still going to be moving higher. The volume is also dwindling, so it can be an indication that the market is not getting hit with a lot of stockpile, and we will break out to higher prices, or there's no interest in higher prices and we will move lower. And definitely I'm seeing the market is giving us some interest in higher prices in Ethereum. So our analysis will be for them to move higher. 684 is resistance though. So we can break 684, then Ethereum will move lower, albeit I can see the market trying to break that at least over the next couple of hours. Okay. So that's all I got for today. If you guys are interested in learning more about language analysis or even getting exclusive content of other altcoins, then you have to sign up and become a member of ours on our Patreon page at HueFin News. That's all I got for today. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and I will talk to you all later.